What's going on, guys? It's me again. Finally getting to do a little bit of work with the tractor. I guess it's been a busy big Chanticleer. Always gotta be making some noise. Excuse me for that. But anywho, got the tractor. I've got a project today I'm gonna try. I've only got about an hour or so before my daughter's basketball game, but I ended up last weekend picking up 2 more implements for my tractor. I got a stump grinder, and then I also got a pallet fork. You can see it's bent, so I'm gonna have to get this fixed, but I got a really good deal on this and a really good deal on this stump grinder. And which brings me on to this weekend is, you can see I'm starting to run out of room with implements, and I want to get a little bit more organized. So I went back to the land. You might have seen one of my previous videos where I bought 3 of these metal structures for like 60 bucks each off of Marketplace. That's where I got it. So I went down to the land, I grabbed one of them. I thought that'd be perfect for setting up implements. So what I'm going to end up doing in this video, hopefully if it works out right, I want to clear, I'll keep the wood there, clean this out, and I'm going to put that structure here. And what I'm going to do is everything that goes on the front of the tractor, all the implements on the front, I'm going to put on the top, which I think I only have room for 2. So I'll put the bucket and probably the pallet forks when I'm done with them. I'll actually use that for this project. So I can either put my grapple, my bucket, or the pallet forks on the top. And at the bottom will be all my rear attachments. So I'll be able to come in from the back and I'll put the stump grinder and my box blade will be able to fit down here on the bottom. And also if my bush hog, man, my mind's slipping me today. So yeah, that's this quick, hopefully quick video. I'll try to get it done before basketball game. If not, I'll finish it up on the next day. So yeah, y'all stay tuned. All right, guys, got it finished and just in time before the basketball game. But it didn't go as ideal as I thought it was going to be. I guess I should have measured and known that the bucket and the pallet forks weren't going to fit up top. But for me, I think it's going to work. I just put the bucket up there by itself, pallet forks, and the stump grinder. And I put this tarp over top just to keep some of the elements off of this as well to help with it. And then I kept the grapple and my box blade still on the tractor. So all in all, it's a little bit better organized with the space I have. Fits my needs, and maybe this will help somebody else that's trying to do it. I got this idea off of our tractor group. Some guys have actually used 2x4s and 2x4s and 4x4s and built it onto their barn. That's all covered up, and they can go in there and get any attachment they need. So very smart idea, simple, but since I had this, made it a lot easier, and I've done this within like 45 minutes. Just a lot of attaching, unattaching, so forth, so on. So hopefully this helps some of you guys out there, and I hope y'all continue to watch. So as always, stay tuned.